Hi, my name is Donna. I'm so glad you're here today. Today we're going to show you how to make a charm bracelet. Let me grab one here for you. This is a charm bracelet we're going to make. It has some heart charms, key charms, lobster clasp, and extension with a charm on the end. It's made with stainless steel chain, which actually stainless steel chain can be better than sterling silver because it doesn't tarnish the way sterling silver does. Once in a while you want to take your polishing cloth over it and just give it a wipe, but it's not as bad as sterling silver. This is going to last you quite a while. Okay, for the things you will need for this project, you'll need some charms, of course. I have 5 of them. 7 jump rings, a lobster clasp, a 1.5 inch extension chain, and about a 6 1/4 longer chain. To begin this project, you'll also need some chain nose pliers. All right, we're going to start by picking up a jump ring and twisting it open. We don't pull it open, we twist. If you pull it open, you'll damage the jump ring. So twist, just gentle twist. And we're going to add it on the long chain, the longer chain. There, like that. And then you're going to add a lobster clasp. After you add your lobster clasp, you're going to close the jump ring. You don't want to leave any gaps, so try to close it as tight as you can without overlapping it. And there you go. You have your lobster clasp on. Then we're going to go to the other side because we need to put the extension on there. We're going to open another jump ring by twisting it open, like that. We're going to add it on the end of the chain. Then we're going to take our extension chain and we're going to just simply add it onto the jump ring. Then we're going to close the jump ring. On the end of the extension chain, you're going to want to put a charm. I'm going to put a heart charm, but you can put a key charm if you want to. So we're going to open another jump ring by twisting it open. Add it to the end of our chain. Add a charm. I'm going to put a heart. Making sure it's closed. There. I need to adjust my camera 1 minute. Okay. There. All right, so now we have the basic bracelet. We're going to add the charms. It's very simple. I'm going to grab a jump ring. I'm going to twist it open. And we're going to add it anywhere you want in the charm. I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to put them on at random places. Attach it to my chain. We're going to put a charm on there. I'm choosing a heart. Then I'm going to close it. It only takes maybe about 8 to 10 minutes to make this bracelet. If that. It's taking me a little while because I'm going a little slower because I'm showing you how to do it. Put it on the chain. I'm going to grab a key charm, add it on, then I'm going to close it. Close the jump ring by twisting it. This one left a gap, see? So we're going to close that gap gently by squeezing that gently there, like that. So now we have 2 charms on, and we just keep going. We have 2 more charms to add on. And we're going to put it on here. We're going to add a heart, and then we're going to close it. Okay, and I have 1 more. Jump ring. Choose a place on your bracelet. Tuck it in the chain. Add the key charm. And then close the jump ring. And with that, you'll have a completed bracelet. There. And it's finished. That fast, that easy, that quick. Close it here, close it at the end, here. I'm right-handed, so let me turn it around. You can hook it there, you can hook it there. It's really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Come back again soon. Bye.